Si Miss Mary Grace may tanong dito. Tanong niya kung okay lang ba ang kanin sa Shih Tzu. Well, any dog, okay, pag-usapan natin yung tungkol sa rice. Ano ba ang nutrients na makukuha sa rice? Mostly, the bulk of it is just carbohydrates or starch. Ang mga dogs, they do not need carbohydrates. They do not need any starch or sugars. Hindi nila yan kailangan. Ang kailangan talaga nila, protein and fats. Okay, so yun yung pinaka-importante sa carnivorous diet. Dogs are carnivores. Although, may ilang mga dog breeds na nag-develop na rin ng higher capability compared sa other dogs or compared sa wolves, yung kanilang ancestor, na mag-digest ng starch for energy. Basically, they really don't need it kasi nakakuha rin sila ng energy from protein and lalo na sa fats. Okay, so if you're going to feed your dog rice lang, wala halos makukuha niyan. Merong konting protein yan, and may konting mga vitamins yan and minerals, pero hindi siya significant enough. No, so if you want to feed your dog properly, the way they should be fed, feed them all meats, mga karne ang talagang kailangan ng mga aso natin. And of course, SDN42 has the highest concentration of meats sa kahit anong dog food in the market. Kasi ang nilagay po natin dyan talaga ay mga meat meals, or ibig sabihin, meron tayong beef meal, meron tayo dyan poultry meal, na yan yung mga concentrated form ng mga meats. Inalis yung moisture, konting moisture na lang natitira dyan. So basically, it's concentrated form ng meats na source ng the best quality proteins para sa mga dogs. Okay, so don't feed rice if you can. If you can afford to buy meats, yan ang pinaka the best. Of course, kailangan mo i-balance yan and siguraduhin na hindi sobra yung meats niya. And of course, you have to cook it. Siguraduhin yung luto kasi po pag raw foods, meron yan mga viruses, makakuha yung aso mo, meron makakuha yung aso mo dyan ng mga bacteria, mga protozoans, worm eggs, and even worms itself. Kaya ang daming problema ng pagpapakain ng raw. So SDN42 is the best po. If you want to buy SDN42, know where to buy it. Mag-message lang po kayo sa amin or comment below. SDN42 is the best dog food in the multiverse, the best dog food, best food for your dog.